So you guys might be wondering, why am I taking apart this Lego set? Well, it's actually because if it breaks, like it falls off a shelf or something, I can more quickly rebuild it. So, okay, when I cover the camera and reveal, it's gonna be all finished. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Wait, you're not the Lego set? Hey, get off my camera. No. Hey, you're gonna do a transition. Oh, what? Well, at least you finished the car. Well, here's the car finished, but we need to do the dilophosaurus area. So this is finished, so now we need to do the dilophosaurus area. And we're gonna do it with a brick separator transition. Brick separator time. So just need to take away the brick separator, the transition finished. Okay. Yeah.
Done.
Okay, it's finished.
What's that?
So, wait, what's that thing? Wait, what's that? What do I do? What do I do?
Stick?
Do you want the stick? Do you want the stick? Go get the stick. No wonder you're extinct. I'm sorry. Ah, no!